I scared my own self. Yo, I look a hot ass mess. We all know that. You know that. I know that. We both know that. I do. But 90% of my life, I look like this. The fuck? I'm about to start the video, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ah! Wow. No one should ever look this bad on camera. I look horrible. So I guess y'all gonna be seeing me transform the 24-hour glow up challenge. So by the end of this video, baby, you can't talk. Okay? We no longer talking. Okay, you just gonna be amazed. Cause like, damn, that's the same girl. Yup. It's me. That's me, a baddie. Cause right now I look so bad, it don't make no sense. Period. So y'all gonna have me pick a wig. And y'all gonna see me wash it, install it, and style it. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna pick out the outfits, and I'm gonna beat my face on camera. And when I say I'ma beat it. I ain't gonna do like the little bitty natural faces I'm normally doing. I'ma beat that thing. I'm gonna beat that thing up. You feel me? So y'all, I'm indecisive. I don't know which one. Pixie blonde. I don't know. We'll get to that later. So y'all gonna see me take all this crusty glue off the lace and wash the hair, and just thinking about that makes my hair hurt. Okay. So let's go. So what I'm doing is using 91% alcohol, pouring that all over the lace and rubbing it off with a towel. So right here, I'm going to be using Garnier Fructis conditioner and shampoo and Shimmer Lights conditioner and washing this wig. Okay, we about to be so cute. So right here, I'm braiding my real hair to put under my stocking cap. Once I put my stocking cap on, y'all, I'm going to throw that wig on, and yeah, from there, you know, you won't see it. You won't see. So using Ghost Bond glue, I'm going to do about 3 layers, and I'm going to put my wig on. Yeah, I think I did about 3 layers to put my wig on. So you'll see the process on how I did that. So as y'all can see, girl, my song was on. What you waiting for, little daddy? Okay, anyway. So what you see me doing now is just putting down my wig, you know, just laying it down on the glue, y'all. That's it. That's all. It's not hard. Just, you know. So here I'm just going to give myself a few baby hairs. Just a little bit. I don't like too many, y'all. And here I just add a little foundation on the lace just to make it look a little bit more skin tone, natural looking, flawless, seamless. Okay. So here I have straightened one side and laid them baby hairs. Yes, it's a little on fleek. Okay. And so I'm going to be doing the other side on camera. Yep. Repair it. Look at it. It's all healthy. Once again, we are almost a step close to being a baddie. Do you hear me? But y'all, I don't know if I'm going to curl it or leave it straight or wet. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it tomorrow. I just know that it is now straightened, and it's easier to maintain because, like, y'all, it was so hard to deal with earlier. But yeah, I just want to get back on camera to show you guys it's how it looks now. I look luscious. Damn. Look at that. Like, it's so much body. It's so much like stiff weird. Okay? Like, y'all, I totally brought this wig back to life. Like, it was Miss Stiff Step, okay, earlier, but now it's Miss Flow. Like, what? Now I may do curls just because, like, look how the color looks with curls. Like, if I was to, I don't know yet, but I'll figure that out tomorrow. I just want to come back on the screen and show y'all that I'm like an inch away from being a bad bitch. But listen, nothing. I spent nothing within this whole process. I've been in my house. And I will see y'all tomorrow for my final transformation, okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all, what's good? It's the next day. I know. I was like, you know, it's gonna be 24 hours, but it still hasn't been 24 hours yet, y'all. So I still got time to glow up. So as you can see, wig is installed. As you guys saw, I brought this baby back to life, and I curled this. I straightened my hair, as y'all saw, and I curled this side. So I'm gonna have y'all watch me curl the other side, and we about to be so cute today. Glow. So we're on to beat this beautiful face and then pick a nice outfit, and bam, we about to be an Instagram baddie in less than 24 hours. It's almost about to be 24 hours if I don't hurry this shit along. But yeah, that's the curls. Stay tuned for the next part. Okay, y'all, so now that I have officially finished this bomb beats, okay, here is curls. All I gotta do is change it to my outfit, and then we ready to be the baddie that we really are. Like, I want y'all to know that this challenge is not to put people down like, oh, you walk around ugly all the time and now you cute. You're cute either way you go. You're cute when you wake up in the morning. You just cute with a little dust on top, okay? What I'm about to do is change into something cute and then come back for the total package, the total look. Okay. Hold on. And guess what? It cost me $0 because I had to buy nothing. I had my own lashes. I showed y'all how to revamp your wigs. If you have an old wig laying around, you have to go pay $500 something to go get your hair done. I had an old Fashion Nova fit in the closet, and I beat my own face. So, and I showed you guys the whole process. So you can be an Instagram baddie for $0 or little to nothing on a budget. I had so much fun filming this look, filming this this video. It was very fun, and I'm gonna do it again with my other wig. Like, y'all, I'm on the train. I'm on the train. I hope y'all still watch this because I think people were doing this like a while ago. So if y'all want me to do stuff like this more, put it in the, make a comment. Comment and I got you. And I'm gonna show you the whole fits at the end of the video. And I guess y'all gonna just have like a great day because I'm having a wonderful one. Because I'm a baddie. I went from flop to top. Okay, I went from ugly to not ugly no more. Less ugly. Hey, I can't even think of what else to say. But thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching this video. And I have a detailed makeup tutorial on this specific look coming up soon. Just make sure y'all like, comment. Make sure y'all like and make sure y'all subscribe. I love feedback. I just want to get to know all of my subscribers. And y'all, peace. Until next time, stay blessed. Okay?